Hey there, Java devs. Welcome back to GLO TECH. Today, I'm simplifying two powerful control flow statements in Java. Break and continue. These little tools can make a world of difference in how your loops run. Let's dive right in. First up, the break statement in a for loop. Here's a quick example. For int I equals sign 0, I 10, I plus plus. If I equals sign 4, system out println I. So what's happening here? The loop starts from I equals sign 0 and goes up to I 10. When I hits 4, the if condition is true and the break statement kicks in. This immediately exits the loop, so you'll see numbers 0, 1, 2, and 3 printed, but not 4 or anything after. Simple, right? Now let's switch it up with the continue statement in a for loop for in a equals sign 0, I 10, I plus plus, if I equals sign 4, system out dot println I. Here I runs from 0 to 9. But when I equals 4, the continue statement skips the rest of that loop iteration. So, all numbers from 0 to 9 are printed except 4. Neat, huh? Next, let's see how break works in a while loop. Here's what it looks like. Int I equals sign 0, while I 10, system out println I plus plus, if I equals sign 4. This loop prints numbers starting from 0. I increments after printing. When I becomes 4 after printing 3, the break statement stops the loop. So you get 0, 1, 2, 3, and then it halts. Finally, let's tackle continue in a while loop int I equals sign 0, while I 10, if I equals sign 4, system out println I plus plus. The loop prints numbers from 0 to 9, but when I equals 4, it skips the system out println I part and moves to the next iteration. So number 4 is skipped once again. If you're learning Java and want your journey to be faster and easier, you're in the right place. I'm here to help you level up your skills step by step. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, plus hit the notification bell so you never miss a video. Thanks for watching and supporting GLO TECH. You are the world for this channel.